Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, May 6th, and we are going to be learning a few new things in math today. So for our opening, we're going to read our new learning target. For our mini lesson, we're going to go over vocabulary, what are quadrants, and for our work period, you guys are going to watch this video and follow along with my slides, and for your closing, you're going to take a one-question quiz. So our learning target, I can find and position pairs of integers and other rational numbers on a coordinate plane. That's what we're working on today. So vocabulary, what are quadrants? A coordinate plane is formed when the x-axis and y-axis intersect at their 0 point. The axes separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions called quadrants. So what do quadrants look like? Well, so you're going to have this right here. This line is y. Everything above it is positive. All the numbers below it are negative. This line right here is your x. Everything to the right is positive, everything to the left is negative. And then you have these 4 quadrants, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, and 4. So this is another little look. So look, all your numbers right here are going to be positive and positive. You'll have a negative and positive, you'll have a negative and negative, and you'll have a positive and negative number. So y'all obviously are going to watch this video, and I'm going to pull up my slide just to help you guys see this a little better, and we can maybe mess with it more. Okay, so let's say I give you this chart and I ask you to name K. So what you're going to do first is you got to find K, right? Well, so let's peek. Ooh, K's right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look on the x-axis first, okay? Well, your x is right here, and your y is right up here. So let's do x first. So you're going to figure out which number is all the way this way. Well, the number that's all the way this way that K is on the dot, it looks like it's 6. So 6, so we put a 6 here, and then you're going to go up the y. So let's go up 1, and it looks like 1, okay? So if you have to name a quadrant, K is on 6, 1. Does that make sense? Let's try another one. Let's say you have something negative, okay? Let's say I'm looking for J. Well, let's find J on here. Oop, he's right here. So the first thing we have to do is our X, right? Well, our X is this line right here. And our Y is this line. You always start with your X though, okay? So we go all the way over, and it looks like X is on what? -7. Okay, -7. So if we put -7 right here, that's a start. Now we have to know what our Y is, okay? Our Y is this line up here. So we go all the way up, find out where that dot is, and it is on 8. So then we put the number 8 here. That's all you have to do. Let's try one more. Let's say you're trying to find E. E. Oop, I see it. And then we're going to go, our X is first, Y is second. Oop, it's kind of a bad Y, but that's okay. So let's go to our X. Let's see, this is where E is. It's on -1, -2, -3. Okay, -3. So we're going to write down -3 right here. And then we want to see what is on the Y, how far down it is. 1, 2, -2, -2. So we write -2 down, okay? Same thing for your quiz today, and I'll show you guys. You'll click activities and you'll click quizzes. And you'll scroll down, and it's May 6th, so you'll click this one. I'm going to click preview. You guys will just click the actual name, just so I can show you guys what it'll look like. And this is going to be what it looks like. Name D. So you'll have D, and you'll find on your X first, and then you'll find your Y. And then you just pick whichever one it is, okay? You guys got this. Good luck. Bye-bye.